Hello, I'm Ethan Thompson, and welcome to my video on a high-profit business idea that's perfect for 2026, bamboo toothbrush making.
As we explore this business idea, let's take a look at the manufacturing process and what makes bamboo toothbrushes so special.
Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is equipped with the latest technology to produce high-quality bamboo toothbrushes. At our facility, we prioritize quality control and attention to detail to ensure that every bamboo toothbrush meets the highest standards.
With low initial investment, high profit margins, and a growing market demand, starting a bamboo toothbrush making business can be a lucrative venture. As you can see, our bamboo toothbrush making machine is designed to produce high-quality toothbrushes with precision and efficiency. With our machine, we can produce up to 10,000 toothbrushes per day, making it an ideal solution for businesses looking to capitalize on the eco-friendly trend.
We take quality control very seriously, ensuring that every toothbrush that leaves our facility meets the highest standards of quality and sustainability.
If you're looking to start a profitable business in 2026, I encourage you to consider the bamboo toothbrush making industry. With its low initial investment, join the eco-friendly revolution and start your own profitable business in 2026. Visit our website or social media channels to learn more.
As we can see, the finished products are of the highest quality, with attention to detail and a focus on sustainability.
Transfer. Our packaging process is designed to be efficient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective, ensuring that our products. With our bamboo toothbrushes, you can be confident that you're not only making a profitable business decision, but also contributing to a more sustainable future for our planet.
By staying ahead of the curve and analyzing market trends, we can ensure that our business remains competitive and profitable.
So, are you ready to join the eco-friendly revolution and start your own profitable business in 2026? Visit our website or social media channels to learn more.
As you can see, our manufacturing facility is equipped to handle large orders, and our team is dedicated to ensuring the highest.
We take quality control very seriously, and every toothbrush is inspected for durability, comfort, and overall performance.
Our customers are thrilled with the quality and eco-friendliness of our bamboo toothbrushes, and we're proud to be making a positive impact. As you can see from our sales data, the demand for bamboo toothbrushes is on the rise, and we're confident that this trend will continue in the coming years. So, are you ready to join the thousands of entrepreneurs who are already profiting from the bamboo toothbrush revolution? With our expert guidance and
As you can see, our bamboo toothbrushes are made with the highest quality materials and crafted with precision for our customers.
Our manufacturing facility is equipped with the latest technology to ensure efficient and high-quality production, allowing us to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly toothbrushes.
With our advanced data analytics and quality control measures, we can monitor and optimize our production process in real time.
The market demand for eco-friendly toothbrushes is growing rapidly, and with our competitive pricing and high-quality products, we're confident that. So, are you ready to join the thousands of entrepreneurs who are already profiting from the bamboo toothbrush revolution? With our expert guidance and support.
As you can see, the demand for eco-friendly products is on the rise, and bamboo toothbrushes are at the forefront of this trend. With a collagen, our manufacturing facility is equipped with the latest technology, ensuring that every bamboo toothbrush that comes off the
preferences. We take pride in our attention to detail, ensuring that every bamboo toothbrush that leaves our facility is not only
With our business model, you can expect high profit margins with a potential return on investment of up to 300% in the first year. So, are you ready to join the bamboo toothbrush revolution and start your own profitable business? With our expert guidance and support, as we can see, the demand for bamboo toothbrushes is skyrocketing, and with our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, we're poised to meet that demand. At our facility, we take quality control very seriously, ensuring that every toothbrush that leaves our production line is. Our team of experts is dedicated to continuously improving our production processes, ensuring that we stay ahead of the competition and meet the With the market trends and sales data on our side, we're confident that our bamboo business will to thrive. So, are you ready to join the bamboo toothbrush revolution and start your own profitable business? With our expert guidance and support, you can be a part of the sustainable future.
As we've seen, the production process is streamlined and efficient. But what about quality control? Let's take a closer look at the sensors. Each toothbrush is carefully inspected for quality and durability, ensuring that every product meets our high standards.
So what does the market look like for bamboo toothbrushes? The demand is growing rapidly, driven by consumers who are increasingly conscious of their environment.
If you're excited about the opportunity to start your own bamboo toothbrush making business, we invite you to visit our website or social.
Join the bamboo toothbrush revolution and start your own profitable business today. Remember, with our expert guidance and support, you can brush.
As we can see, the finished products are of the highest quality, with each toothbrush carefully crafted to meet the demands of the eco-conscious consumer. To ensure the success of your bamboo toothbrush making business, it's essential to have a solid understanding of production.
In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for reaching your target audience and building a loyal customer base.
Don't just take our word for it. Our partners have seen significant returns on their investment, and we're confident that you can achieve the same.
So why wait? Join the bamboo toothbrush revolution today and start building a profitable business that's not only good for your bottom line. As the demand for eco-friendly products continues to grow, the opportunities for nerds like yourself to make a real impact with user. With the right tools and knowledge, you can capitalize on this trend and build a successful business that not only generates significant revenues. From sourcing high-quality bamboo to designing and manufacturing the toothbrushes, every step of the process is crucial. The end result is a product that not only helps reduce plastic waste, but also provides a unique and effective oral. So why not join the ranks of forward-thinking entrepreneurs who are already making a difference with bamboo toothbrushes?
With the right strategy and execution, a bamboo toothbrush making business can generate significant revenue. With profit margins, our bamboo toothbrushes are made from high-quality, sustainably sourced materials, ensuring a premium product that not only benefits the environment. To get started, simply visit our website, where you'll find a wealth of information, including business plans, marketing strategies, and production guides.
Join the bamboo toothbrush revolution today and start building a profitable business that not only benefits your bottom line, but also contributes to a more sustainable future.
As the demand for eco-friendly products continues to rise, the market for bamboo toothbrushes is to grow exponentially. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is equipped with the latest technology, allowing us to produce high-quality.
Our team is dedicated to ensuring the highest quality products, and our rigorous quality control measures guarantee that.
With our efficient production process and high-quality products, we're confident that our bamboo toothbrushes will become a staple in households around the world.
Don't miss out on this opportunity to join the bamboo toothbrush revolution and start building a profitable business that benefits both your bottom line and the planet.
As we can see, the bamboo toothbrushes are not only eco-friendly, but also of high quality, making them a perfect product.
Our manufacturing facility is equipped with the latest technology, allowing us to automate the packaging process and increase efficiency while reducing labor costs.
The final product is not only functional, but also visually appealing, making it a great addition to any oral care routine
With the right marketing strategy and sales channels, the potential for huge returns on investment in the bamboo toothbrush industry is.
So what are you waiting for? Join the bamboo toothbrush revolution today and start building a profitable business that benefits both your bottom line.
With our state-of-the-art design software, we can optimize the production process and ensure that every bamboo toothbrush meets our high standards of quality and sustainability.
Our team is dedicated to ensuring that every step of the production process is efficient, effective, and environmentally friendly.
Our quality control measures ensure that every bamboo toothbrush meets our rigorous standards, so our customers can trust that they're getting a high-quality product. With our scalable production process, we can meet the growing demand for eco-friendly bamboo toothbrushes and make a real difference in the lives of our customers. Join us in the bamboo toothbrush revolution and discover the potential for high profits and a clean conscience. Visit our website. With a focus on efficiency and attention to detail, our team ensures that every toothbrush is carefully packaged and ready for.
By monitoring sales data and market trends, we can stay ahead of the competition and make informed decisions to drive business growth and increase profits.
With a solid business plan in place, we can effectively reach our target audience, build brand awareness, and establish ourselves as a leader in the eco-friendly products market. Join the bamboo toothbrush revolution and start building a profitable business that not only generates wealth, but also contributes to a more sustainable.
Ethan's team is working around the clock to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly toothbrushes. From sourcing high-quality bamboo to ensuring efficient production, every step of the process is carefully monitored to guarantee top-notch quality. With cutting-edge technology and a data-driven approach, Ethan's team is able to optimize production, reduce waste, and increase profitability. From concept to delivery, Ethan's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction has earned him a loyal following in the eco-friendly market.
Join the bamboo toothbrush revolution and start building a sustainable future for yourself and future generations. Visit our website. As we can see, the demand for bamboo toothbrushes is on the rise, and with our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, we're well equipped to meet that demand.
Our bamboo toothbrush making machine is designed to produce this high-quality toothbrush at rate.
At every stage of the production process, we prioritize quality and attention to detail, ensuring that every toothbrush that leaves. With low initial investment and high profit margins, starting a bamboo toothbrush making business can be a highly lucrative venture.
So why not join the bamboo toothbrush revolution and start building a sustainable future for yourself and future generations?
From a small idea to a game-changing product, Ethan's passion for innovation drives his mission to revolutionize the oral care industry.
With a vast market demand for eco-friendly products, Ethan's bamboo toothbrush making machine is poised to capitalize on this trend and bring in substantial profits.
Ethan's cutting-edge machine is designed to produce high-quality bamboo toothbrushes with unparalleled efficiency and precision. With a focus on quality control and employee satisfaction, Ethan's facility is a model of efficiency and sustainability.
From machine to market, Ethan's bamboo toothbrush making business is poised to revolutionize the oral care industry and bring in substantial profits.
With a keen eye for detail, Ethan ensures that every bamboo toothbrush that leaves the facility meets the highest standards of quality and sustainability.
As a hands-on leader, Ethan works closely with his team to optimize production workflows, ensuring that every toothbrush is made with precision and care.
Ethan shares his insights on the growing demand for sustainable products, highlighting the vast market potential for bamboo toothbrushes and the opportunities for entrepreneurs to capitalize on this trend. From the biodegradable handle to the BPA-free bristles, Ethan highlights the innovative design and eco-friendly features of his bamboo toothbrushes. With his vision for a sustainable future and a proven business model, Ethan invites aspiring entrepreneurs to join the bamboo toothbrush.
As the demand for eco-friendly products continues to rise, Ethan sees an opportunity to revolutionize the oral care industry with bamboo toothbrushes.
Ethan's team has designed a state-of-the-art machine that can produce high-quality bamboo toothbrushes efficiently and cost-effectively.
The machine can produce up to 10,000 toothbrushes per hour, making it an ideal solution for businesses looking to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly products. Ethan's bamboo toothbrushes are not only eco-friendly, but also of the highest quality, making them a game changer in the oral care industry. Join the eco-friendly revolution and start your own profitable bamboo toothbrush business today. Visit Ethan's website or social media channels for more information.
As we take a closer look at the bamboo toothbrush making machine, you'll notice the cutting-edge technology that allows for efficient and high-quality productionals. With the ability to produce up to 10,000 bamboo toothbrushes per day, this machine is a game changer for any business.
At every stage of production, we prioritize quality control, ensuring that every bamboo toothbrush that leaves our facility meets it. As you can see, our bamboo toothbrushes are not only eco-friendly, but also stylish and durable, making them the perfect.
So, are you ready to join the eco-friendly revolution and start your own profitable bamboo toothbrush business?
With precision engineering and cutting-edge technology, we ensure every bamboo toothbrush handle meets our high standards for quality and sustainability. Our attention to detail and commitment to quality ensure that every bamboo toothbrush meets the highest standards for durability and performance. Our cutting-edge technology and expert team ensure seamless production and efficient workflow, allowing us to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly products.
Join the eco-friendly revolution and start your own profitable bamboo toothbrush business today. With our expertise and technology, the possibilities are endless.
For sure. One of the key benefits of using bamboo for toothbrushes is its sustainability, with bamboo being one of the fastest growing plants on the planet. Our manufacturing facility is equipped with the latest technology to sort, cut, and process bamboo